Windows everyone. In this video I'm going to explain you or just show you my application which I made, and if you want to get this application free for now, just write in comments your email and I will email you and send this application. So first of all, what I want to do right now is show you how this application actually works. So as you can see, my calculator, here is some Russian version, here is English version with registration. Actually, I'm going to show you with registration. So you just clicking on this application, and what you're doing right now is just waiting a little bit.
My name is Mia. I was created by Abdullayev Ikram. Welcome to the voice calculator. Login to continue.
Yeah, it's just showing you the sign in login window where you have to write your username and password, which I will give you when you will write me in the comments. So I'm gonna just cut down this part of the video. I will write there name and password. I will give you this email and password which you have to write here. Actually, it's not email, it's just the name and password which you have to do, which is already saved in the database. So for now I didn't put the registration button because every time you can just register here and use it, and this is not actually good. So we're just trying to solve this kind of problem. Actually, I'm trying to solve that problem. So I'm going to show you now something. Alright guys, as you can see, I just registered success, so press OK. We're going to press
Login
OK.
success. Enjoy application. Tell your command.
Stop.
Press enter button to
Alright,
continue.
if I will press enter and it's going to continue ask me what should I do. I mean, I'm just talking from the program side, what should I do. So before just pressing enter, I want to talk a little bit about this program. Before just creating this application, I just made a lot of decisions. So what is this? This is an application, I mean the calculator, which is work with voice. Yes guys, so if you want to get your own voice calculator, it's not late. You can write me in the comments your email where I have to send this application. So you can email me by the email which I will put to the description. I mean, email will be in the description, so you can go and just email me that my name is Ikram, I mean IKRAM. Just write hello, I just want to get this application. I'm going to give you this for free, but I want to mark that fact that this application works only for Windows. I don't know, maybe it works for Kali Linux too, but I'm just talking about operation system which I'm using right now. So as you can see, I'm going to show you what this application can do. So, oh my god, I made this mistake. Plus.
Calculating.
Okay.
First number.
555. 555. So you can just say the number.
Second number.
657. Or you can just say 675.
Sorry, wrong value.
Yeah,
Tell your command again.
Plus.
Calculating. First number.
555.
Second number.
655.
Answer is 1210.0. Press enter button to continue.
So why is just saying 0.0? Because when I just write a program, I write for not only int numbers, I just write for another numbers. Maybe you want to assume the 8.9 with 8.9. So if I will just give the only for int numbers, so if you're a Pythoner, you know what I'm talking about. It's not gonna actually work. So look at that. After when you get your answer is 1210, I mean 1210. So if we will get this answer, I mean you're just getting this answer and putting down to your paper. Not only just assuming the numbers, it's just minus, it's just plussing the, you know, the percent or something else. So you can get this application by writing me in a to the video. I mean, just you got me. All right, you have to write to me by the email, which I will put in the description, and I will give you this application only for free. So no viruses, as you can see. Even I'm using this application. So this application doesn't have any design for now, but in the future it will have, and it will cost money. But if you But guys who will ask me to give him this application for use, I will make some percents off in the future. When this application will cost money, I'm gonna just cut some, the percent from this application and give this application to this guy. So, but guys who didn't buy it, who didn't interested in it, and who will want to buy this application in the future, they will pay all money without any off, any percents off. So yes guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna show you another comment which it can do. It can actually do the 20 comments, and let me just read it for you guys. So alright, I got this book. I have actually book. It can just plus, minus numbers, multiply, division, level, or degree in a number, you know, for example A and B. Let's just say degree.
Calculating. First number.
5, and the second number is going to be in the top of 5, so it's going to give you a mistake because I'm just talking here. Word is not actually a number. I know it's going to be a mistake.
Sorry, wrong value. Tell your command again.
Degree.
Calculating. First number.
5. 5.
Sorry,
Jesus Christ.
wrong value.
Just make
Tell your command again.
degree.
Calculating. First number.
3.
Second number.
2.
Answer is 9.0. Press
Oh
enter
my
button
god,
to
so the one
continue.
problem is that you have to pronounce it clearly if you want the application work great. You have to be pronunciated more better. So I think your pronunciation is going to be better than mine, because when I'm talking I'm always hurrying up. I don't know where, but I'm always hurrying up. So the answer is 9.0. Let's just make this window bigger, as you can see. So if we will press enter, we will be available to ask another comment. So I didn't actually read you all. Look, so you can thank this program. Let's just thank, and let's look what it will answer you. Thank you.
It's honor for me to work for you. But first thanks to Abdullayev Ikram, who created me. I am glad that you enjoyed our product.
That's all. So stop.
Press enter button to
Alright,
continue.
stop for now. So you can exceed or say just goodbye. You can stop, which I just said now for stopping. You can create your own QR code with just commenting QR. So if you want to see that, I'm going to leave the email by which you can just order this application for free. -%, you can just from number minus some percent. So here's the tangent, sinus, cosinus, and 5% of number, factorial, and you can just ask who is your creator, and it's clear it's just me. Alright guys, so that was my video today. If I think you enjoyed it, you loved it, and I will make some videos like these more. I just created this application, and if you are a Python developer and if this just become your great idea, if you want to use this idea, just write in comments, press like, subscribe. Let's just develop, bro. So you know, I'm just on a way to quit from YouTube because no one is watching me, bro. No one. Look at this great application. No one is gonna make this for you, but if you can do this application, if you're a Pythoner, write in comments. Thank you for watching. Maybe we can make a cooperation in the future, bro. Why no? I will just leave an email. You can write everything which you want there. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Before ending the video, I want to remind you that we can work together. Alright, see you next time.